Okay, let's take a look at downward facing dog, or Adho Mukha Svanasana in Sanskrit. I'm sure that someone will say that my pronunciation is wrong there, but it'll be written on the bottom here for you to check out. Okay, let's jump in. So when we're thinking about our hand placement, so we want to make sure that our hands are nice and flat on the mat, so nice pancake hands. We don't really want to be up on our fingertips, we don't want to be curling those fingers in. Really think about flat hands so you're able to press away. And so the other thing that we really want to be thinking about is, something that I think about, is turning your elbows in so your biceps are facing up. This really forces our shoulders to engage a little bit more. So when we press up, let's tap the toes, lift the hips, and let's make sure that our feet are about hip width apart. So the hands are about hip width apart, the feet are about hip width apart. And what can be nice to do is just pad the downward dog out first when you get into it. But what we want to make sure is that we're getting length in the spine. So at the moment I'm too far forward. I'm going to take a deep bend in the knee and press the mat away. And so what you should see is that my spine lengthens out nicely and it forces my hips to be pushed up towards the sky, taking that bend in the knee. What we can find sometimes is that people are really struggling to get their heels to the mat. And so, I mean, you can work towards getting the heels to the mat. Does it really matter? It doesn't. If your feet are up, if your heels are up from the mat, that's totally fine. Take a bend in the knee. You may find towards the end of a class that you might get those feet a little bit closer to the mat. But that's something I always look out for. So, hanging the head nice and heavy, so releasing any tension in the neck, pressing the mat away, thinking about rolling those elbows in, engaging the shoulders, and then just finding our pose here, finding that sweet spot. We're kind of making an inverted V shape. Think about pulling the navel in, so pulling the belly button towards the spine, and really lift those hips, pressing them up towards the sky, pressing the mat away, nice straight arms. And then we'll come back down to the knees, and come into kneeling to rest, and that's our downward facing dog.